Hi guys, welcome to today's lesson. We're going to look at currency conversions or currency exchanges. The first topic we're going to look at is converting pounds into euros or pounds into a foreign currency. Before we go into that, let's look at some starter questions. I put two speed, distance, time questions on the board, so please pause the screen and have a go. So the way that we look at these questions, first of all, is that we draw a speed, distance, time triangle, first of all. So remember, the top of the triangle has D and the bottom has S times T. And what we do here is that we look at the question, a car travels at 88 miles per hour for 2 hours. What distance does it cover in that time? So as we're looking for distance, what we would do is that we would cover the D here, which shows us that the equation that we then want is S times T. So let's write down D equals S times T, or distance is equal to speed times time. We find the two numbers that we're looking for. So we're looking for the speed here, which is 88 miles an hour, and the time is 2 hours. So it's 88 times by 2, which gives us 176 miles covered. Okay, let's look at the second question. A man cycles 42 kilometers in 3 hours. What's his average speed? Again, going back to the speed, distance, time triangle, the thing we're looking for is the S, in this case, the speed. So we would cover that with our thumb, the letter S with our thumb, and we would see that we would have this D over T. So let's write that out. S is equal to D divided by T. Again, if we look at the question, the distance is 42 kilometers, the time is 3 hours. So I'm going to write in 42 divided by 3. Do that on your calculator, you're going to get an answer of 14 kilometers covered. Well done. Okay, let's go on to the learning intentions. So please write the title in your jotters of foreign currency. The learning intention for today is to learn how to convert pounds to foreign currency. So the success criteria is that you understand the term of an exchange rate and you can also convert pounds into a different currency. So please copy these notes into your jotters, pause the screen and copy these notes. I'll just read them out for you. So when you travel to a different country, you often need to convert your British pounds, sometimes called sterling, into the money that's used in that country. For example, in the US, they use dollars, and in Europe, they use euros. So if you were in the US, you wouldn't be able to take your, Royal Bank of Scotland notes and use that to buy things. You'd have to convert it into dollars first. So the exchange rate is really what the price is for foreign currencies. So it's how much you would pay or how much you would get for each pound of British money. So let's look at example number 1 and look at this table on the right hand side. So this is giving us the exchange rates, and it's saying for every £1 that you have, you could get 1.25 euros. 1.25 euros. And for every £1 that you have, you could get $1.60 or $1.6. So let's look at this example here. We're going to change £80 into euros. And all you have to do is just multiply the things together. So we're trying to find euros, so we're going to be using this number here, the 1.25. So we'll say £80 is equal to 80 times by 1.25, which remember we've got from over the table on the right hand side for euros, which gives us, if we type that into our calculator, we're going to get 100 euros. It's as simple as that. So our final answer is going to be 100 euros. Let's look at the next question. Right, so now we're going to change £120 into dollars. And again, in order to do this, you just simply multiply. What are we going to multiply by? Well, we're going to look at the right hand side and see our table. For every £1 here, we get $1.6, 1.6 American dollars. So we're going to write £120 is equal to 120 times by 1.60 gives us 192 US dollars, 192 US dollars. So that's it. So it's as simple as that. What I've done is I've set your worksheet. Please have a go at those questions and see how you get on. And then submit your work to me on Show My Homework or Google Classroom. Again, if you've got any questions, just reach out to me on Google Classroom or Show My Homework. Thanks for joining today's lesson. Hope you have a good day and look forward to seeing your solutions. Okay, bye.